Ready to transform your WhatsApp from a simple messenger into a powerful customer engagement tool? Let's jump straight into creating automated flows in Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Flows section on the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Flow button to start building your automated conversation. You'll be presented with a blank canvas where you can design your user journey. Now, drag and drop various nodes onto the canvas to construct your flows. Start with a text node to welcome the user, add a button node to provide options like explore products, contact support, or track order. Configure each button by entering the text that will appear on the button and linking it to the next appropriate node in the flow. Is where you build your branching logic. Use if-else nodes to personalize the journey. For example, if a user selects track order, direct them to a node that requests their order number. Enhance your flow by integrating with external APIs. This allows you to pull in dynamic content, like product details or shipping updates, directly into the conversation. Continue adding nodes, configuring buttons, and building your logic until you have a complete and engaging flow. Test your flow fairly to ensure a seamless user experience. With Aisensy Flows, you can create powerful, automated WhatsApp conversations that drive customer engagement and boost your business.